The first question is the Mount Saint Michael, a UNESCO World Heritage, is located in, and the correct option is option B, France. Next question: how many ODIs matches Prime Minister Imran Khan has come captained for Pakistan? The correct option D, 139. Next question: when Christopher Columbus discovered West Indies? The correct option B, in 1492 AD. The next question: the global risk report is published by which of the following? The correct option D, World Economic Forum. And the next question is: Formosa Strait separates Indonesia from Singapore, or China from Taiwan, or Australia from New Zealand, Spain from Morocco? The correct option C, China from Taiwan. Option C is correct. The next question: what is Tokmak? The correct option D, advice used in nuclear fusion research for magnetic confinement of plasma. Option D is correct. Next question: Roland Garros is the other name of? The correct option A, French Open. Next question: who discovered cement? The correct option C, Joseph Aspdin. Next question: one barrel is equal to how many liters? The correct option B, 159 liters. Next question: which country was previously known as the Malagasy Republic? The correct option C, Madagascar. So this is the last question. Please subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.